Are you a parent, grandparent, or teacher that's looking for any kind of way that's not virtual, online, or remote to help your children learn? Well, if you are, stick around. I've got something that'll help. Come on, let's go. One of the areas being emphasized in today's schools is giving students the knowledge and skills to gather and evaluate information and then problem solve to make educated decisions. Science, technology, engineering, and math, disciplines that collectively are known as STEM, are the essential elements to this effort. Add an A for art and you've got STEAM. But what about a G for gardening? An argument could be made that many of these skills can and perhaps should be taught with the use of a little less T and a lot more G. Almost half of American children spend more than 6 hours of screen time online per day, an almost 500% increase from before COVID-19. Square Foot Gardening with Kids, written by Mel Bartholomew, the founder of Square Foot Gardening, offers some great techniques for getting children unplugged and out in the fresh air, with some non-digital ways to teach a whole bunch of useful lessons on practically every imaginable subject. If you're looking for a way to learn, have fun, and bond with the youngsters in your life, you won't find a better, healthier, more positive vehicle than planning, building, planting, growing, nurturing, and harvesting a square foot garden together. The book shows how you can learn together with your child about gardening basics, science, math, art, reading, writing, water conservation, self-sufficiency, independence, planning, social skills, and of course eating healthy. The information, lessons, activities, and exercises in the book will work for kids of all ages. Now more than ever, we need to do all we can to help our children during these difficult times. The physical, mental, emotional, educational, and interpersonal benefits of Square Foot Gardening with Kids are many. The lessons learned, time spent, and memories made sharing in their SFG with you will remain with them for the rest of their lives. So give your kids and yourself a break from screen time. Whatever the current season, winter, spring, summer, or fall, grab a copy of the book and get started, and create your own new normal with Square Foot Gardening with Kids. Visit our website at squarefootgardening.org.